Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Reyoulidraws and today I'll be doing another time-lapse drawing session. I've done a little sketch here. It's much brighter today. Although there's still some splashes of grey clouds in the sky, it does feel like it's a little too bright even. The sky doesn't really have color. It's not like saturated colors, it's just stark white and then some grey splashes here and there. So it's like almost blinding even. I would show you guys, but I don't think you'll be able to see anyway. But yeah, it's nice that it's bright out today. Thinking of drawing like more than one lips, more than one drawing, but I don't know how. But I think that might make the video longer. We'll see. Anyways, I'm satisfied with this sketch. Put a blend of that together. Now I want to start shading. As I'm starting the process of shading, obviously starting from the more darker areas, I'm also defining the outline and correcting the shape as I go. For the second lips that I want to draw, I don't know if I really will, I want to make that like gradient lips, right? But this one, there's going to be like a lip line, so the edges of the lips are going to actually be darker value, because there's going to be some kind of natural lip line around these areas. So something like this is what I'm going for these lips. as the shading gets darker, I'm carefully taking note of the parts that will be lighter. But that's what I'm taking note of, the part that will be lighter, because I'm going really dark with the shadows right now. I'm not too worried about the parts that are in sharp highlights. So just the part that are like a lighter value. The parts that will be in sharp highlights, you can just use an eraser and like erase. But for the parts that are lighter, I definitely have to be careful with how much shadow I am placing on those areas.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me.
The upper portion of this exposed teeth here, values are not as dark as they should be, but I'm not going to shade that part separately, because when I blend all the shadows that are on the lips, that are around the teeth, some of that is going to go onto the teeth. So shading the teeth right now will just make this portion way darker than it should end up looking. So I'm just taking brush and I'm shifting the shadows and blending.
I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you all day.
I think the values are a little too dark, so I'm just gonna lift some of them. take a little break. Mainly because it's raining and I kind of just want to chill for a bit. I ended up not adding the second part of the drawing to this video because it will be too long. But I'll see you soon. Click here to watch the other drawing.